My brother was going to Idaho to pick up some tractor parts, and this was listed. It was on the way, so he was nice enough to stop and let me pick this up. And it's a Buffalo Forge blower. It was listed at $75. Me not talking, can you still hear it? I don't know. I asked him if he had any more blacksmith stuff. He pulled out this little 4-inch vise. He also said he had some Hardys and hammers and he'd find and let me know when he finds them. It's a big horn weight and a really heavy, solid cast mill ball. So excited to hear back from him. These are estate sale finds. These books here first. I got a hit and miss engine manual. Gas engine magazine, 1981. A couple Western engine magazines, 1980. And funny thing is I've known that guy for quite a while. Next thing is here, picked up a cobbler hammer. Don't know why, don't need another one. Really neat pair of wrists. Snips. Interesting pair of pliers. Fencing tool. Another fencing tool. Nice long handle. A level. You can see here it is. Oh, can you see? Kind of see. It's the Stanley number 4. Talking about Stanley, they got these 2 framing squares. Let's do this one. This one here, stamped Stanley. Oh, if we can see it. Oh, you can't really see it. This one here, also a Stanley. But you can see it's a Stanley Sweetheart. And then I got just what I needed. Oops. Another wagon jack. That first group, or the second group of tools, was a $20 find from a estate sale. Then while we were up in Idaho, stopped at an antique store, picked up a $5 metal funnel, a $10 chasing hammer, because heck, I like hammers. And you can always use a funnel. Then we're headed to lunch, still in Idaho. Saw some signs for a estate sale. We swung by. I got this exhaust whistle. We'll put it on here real quick. You can hear it. Excited to get that. And let's see if we can see it. Picked up this This is a National Cabinet Machinist toolbox here. So, pretty good condition on it. If you know about Nationals, they're actually made by Gerstner. This is just the budget. So we'll get this all cleaned up. And, this is marked $75. This is marked $250, but We were there on the last day and everything was 75% off. So I got both these for just over 80 bucks.